আর এইখানে এই সব খাবার এই সব কিছু একদমই ফ্রি, কিন্তু এত পরিমাণের খাবার প্রায় 1500 কেজি, এত খাবার যদি আমি যে কোনো জায়গায় ফ্রি করে দিই তাহলে তো সঠিক মানুষের কাছে পৌঁছাবে না।
My first experience. We work for humanity. As a human being, we work for humanity. And especially thanks for Ishan bro. He invited me, that's why I'm here. I get this chance to work for humanity. There's two type of rice. This is a special rice, which is making maybe kachi. Kachi? This one? Make?
Yes.
This is the regular rice. You can see. And also potato, onion, garlic, masala, 5 kg oil. So one family don't need to buy anything for 1 month. 1 month package, and everything maybe 1,500 kg, right?
Yes.
Huge amount. And per family, we give maybe 30 to 35 kg for everything. And also chicken, not only special rice, also chicken. We try our level best to give beef, but the challenge was yesterday. The man behind the camera, he and me, we find lots of place to this oil, but here nobody sell 50 piece of oil, 5 kg. It was for challenge for us, but everything here people are so friendly. As a like family member, we share. We have planning to distribute for needy people. That's why they help. Like she is a mama of the first we meet auto driver, and they give a place to packaging here. We stay last night his home. So this one I like. This is the Bangladeshi hospitality, amazing hospitality, Bangladeshi people. If you come here, you don't feel you are beginner here. Everyone, you like first impression Bangladeshi people. That's one I like. Like we are work for making a difference for their future. Kurigram local, we are going to distribute our charity fund. We are packaging for 4 days. It was challenging for us because we have to distribute another. We have 2 local here also. What's your name?
My name is Rakibul Hassan.
Rakibul Hassan. What's your name?
My name is Nishu.
Nishu, Rakib also.
My name is
Rifat, I'm forgot. Rifat. So they are local from here, Kurigram. They support me always. But this guy, specific this guy, are first impression I like this guy because when we arrive just railway station, he just ask, you want where to go? We say you can suggest us where we can breakfast. This time start this guy will help for such a hotel. Then he says for us if you want to any problem, anytime you can call me, I will help you. So here is local, they are helping us. We have to cross the river. With Bidik Bus team, they select remote area, not only just showing people. We are searching for who really needy person. That's why we're searching for remote area. You can see we have to cross the river, and also the island become a sand island. So that area we will distribute this product here, and here you can see. Work for charity, it's not easy. It's not come from mind, it's come from heart. So we are working hard for him as a human. We are helping to human being, right? So you can see here local also appreciate us.
So finally, we are loaded the boat and we are going to crossing the river to distribute unprivileged people our package. Watching the video until the end, then you can realize how miserable life they live.
আমি যে
যাও তো সালা দিকে মাঝে
কলা ফুটাই গেছে বস্তায় দিয়ে দেন বস্তায় ঢুকবে না ওই আগে নিচে নামান বস্তায় ঢুকান
All the credit goes to my Almighty Allah and especially thanks to Bidik Baj and our honorable sponsor BZ Charity.